These are the various stages in Hydra succession. Hydra succession में वेगवेगळे stages दाखवलेले. Hydro, that is known as hydrosis. Starting from phytoplankton stage, then submerged stage, floating stage, then reed swamp stage, marsh meadow stage, then woodland stage, and forest stage. In this way, these communities form. यात आपण इकॉलॉजिकल सक्सेशन मध्ये वेगवेगळे स्टेज पाहिले. न्यूडेशन, इन्वेशन, then competition and coaction, reaction and stabilization. In this way, this succession will occur. This succession begins from this phytoplankton stage. So this succession which begins in the water, in ponds or lakes, it is known as hydra succession. हे हायड्रोसिर इथे दाखवलं पाहिजे. पहिल्यांदा आपण काय पाहिलं हायड्रोसिर. त्यानंतर आहे नेक्स्ट type of succession is Gerard succession. The succession which begins in the dry condition. ड्राय कंडिशन में असं ड्राय कंडिशन एखाद्या जमिनीवर म्हणा किंवा दगडावर जे कम्युनिटी फॉर्म होते, plants that will grow in a dry condition. आता आपण हायड्रा सक्सेशन मध्ये पाण्यामध्ये पाहिले, तर जेरार सक्सेशन मध्ये कशामध्ये होते? In Gerard succession, this community will form in a dry condition, in a soil. Like Gerard succession. And the stages which are shown in this Gerard succession, like I mean, it's a Gerosphere. The Hydra succession में अपन पहले stages, like I mean, Hydrosphere, and the succession beginning in a dry condition, that is known as Gerard succession, or the stages which are shown in this Gerard succession is known as Gerospheres. See this image of this Gerosphere, various stages shown in this Gerospheres. The rock, the plant that will grow on a dry condition. The rock, the first stage में rock दाखवले. त्यानंतर next stage इथे दाखवले grass. Shrubs, various trees are shown starting from first stage. First stage is shown here, Crustauch lichen stage. Crustauch lichen stage, then moss stage, herb stage. How these plants will grow? The section that is shown by this arrow. How it will grow. For the growth of these plants that will occur, that is shown here. First stage is the nudation, then invasion, competition, coaction, reaction, and stabilization. See the final stage, the complete growth of that plants that will occur here. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे plants, वेगवेगळे trees असतात. कुठलेही plants असेल त्यामध्ये, it may be mango trees or plants, or it may be neem tree. There are various types of trees are there, or it may be coconut tree. So that will goes through various processes, starting from nudation, invasion, competition, coaction, reaction, and stabilization. So these are stages which are shown in the Gerard succession. That is known as Gerospheres. So this is Gerard's succession. The first stage that we are going to see, Crustauch lichen stage. This is the first stage in the Gerard succession, Crustauch lichen stage. Okay. So these are the pioneers, primary community that will form, that will grow on a bare rocks. कुठे form होते हैं first community on a rocks, bare rocks. Rocks, these communities form. So they tolerate extreme deficiency of water, nutrients, high light intensity, and high temperature. These plants will grow. So these plants, grostol lichen stage, they obtain in minerals from the rock by secretion of carbonic acids. They obtain the minerals from the rocks, and they get dissolved in the rock surfaces, and they loosen the rock particles when they will grow. So which type of plants that will grow in this stage? Crustose lichen stage. The names of these plants are given: Rhizocarpon, Rhinodina, then Laconora. These are the various types of plants that will grow on the rocks. कुठे वाढतात ते? दगडावर, rocks or stones. This plant that will grow, rocks. Again, these plants that will be replaced by new plants is the first stage. This is the first stage, that is nudation. And in second stage is invasion. These plants are replaced by new plants. Crustose lichen stage, that will, in this crustose lichen, the plants that will grow, the names of the plants are that is given here: Rhizocarpon, Rhinodina, Laconora, and or other types of plants that will grow on the rocks. These plants are replaced by another plants that is known as foliose lichens. Some amount of the soil that will form on the rock surface. In this stage, these new plants will grow. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Foliose lichen plants. The old plants that will replaced by new plants. These foliage lichens that will develop on the rocks, partially covered by the soil particles and crustose lichen. त्यामुळे कुठले कुठले नाव आहेत? Foliage lichen plants are known as Parmelia, then Dermatocarpon. There are the plants that will go in second stage, foliage lichen stage. After their growth, again the organic matter is added to the soil. Again, these plants will be replaced by new plants. In this process, the secretion will occur. Foliose lichens secrete that will cause disintegration of the rocks and formation of the fertile soil. In this process, the water holding capacity of the soil also increases due to the addition of humus. Again, after the growth of these foliose lichens, these plants will be replaced by new plants. This is a foliose lichen stage. Okay. Next stage is moss stage. This is the diagram. Crustose lichen stage. On a bare rocks, these plants will grow. In second stage, moss stage. Third stage is herb stage. Then climatic climax tree stage. These are the stages in xeroseeds. Moss stage. In moss stage, the various types of plants that will grow, like Polytrichum, Funaria, Braham. These are the new plants that will grow in a moss stage. So this foliose lichen plant that will be replaced by these new plants. So these mosses form a thick mat it forms a thick mat in the soil. Again, after their growth, these plants, the rhizoids secrete secrete acid, and they after their growth, the rapid degradation of the rock will occur. Rock will get disintegrate, and there is the addition of the dead organic matter increases, and the humus that will be formed in the soil. So that will become the soil will become more fertile. That will be helpful for the growing of the plants. Okay. Again, these plants will be replaced by new plants in herb stage. Third stage is herb stage. These plants are replaced. The new plants that will grow in herb stage, like seeds of the xerophytic plants like grasses brought by the wind or birds germinate and grow with the mosses. Again, due to flow of the wind, the seeds that will deposit it in a open area. So in that open area, new plants will grow, and so that plants will grow with the mosses in moss stage. After their growth, that plants will be replaced by new plants. That is herbs. Again, disintegration of the rock will occur. Then formation of the soil further increases. Again, next stage, this herbs will be replaced by shrub stage. Again, the humus also increases due to addition of dead herbs or plants, decayed organic matter. New plants will grow. That will grow in a new area. Again, the climate becomes cooler and soil becomes more fertile for these new plants. And next stage, after their growth, new plants will be grow. That is in a forest stage. Various types of trees will grow, and after this forest stage, the community gets stabilized. It is known as climatic climax community. इथे दाखवले पाहिजे डायग्राम मध्ये climatic climax tree stage. Okay, these are final stage. Okay, so this is the succession in the Gerard succession. कशामध्ये पाहतो आपण ड्राय कंडिशन मध्ये. हे बघ, this climatic climax stage, the complete growth of the plants that will occur. The community becomes stable community. That is called climax community. So they adjust with the environment. Old community that is replaced by new community, and complete stabilization will occur. This is a diagrammatic representation of the Gerocell or Gerard succession that is shown. Gerard succession मध्ये वेगवेगळे स्टेजेस दाखवले पण. पहिल्यांदा फर्स्ट स्टेज काय, क्रस्टॉल लिचन स्टेज. इन आउटर साइडला इथे दाखवले पहा लिचन्स. त्यानंतर नेक्स्ट स्टेज काय, मॉस स्टेज. then next stage is herb stage, shrub stage, foliation stage, moss stage, herb stage, shrub stage, and forest stage. ते डायग्राम मध्ये दाखवले. See this. This is a diagrammatic representation. Outer edge ला क्या है? Lichen stage. Second stage is polyol-lichen stage. Third stage is moss stage. Then herb stage and shrub stage. Then finally forest stage. The various trees are shown here at the middle. These are the this is the stages that is shown in the Xerosphere. Xerosphere में stages दाखवलेले. समजलंय इथपर्यंत? This is the Hydrarch succession and Gerard succession. दोन टाइपचे succession आपण पाहिले. Hydrarch succession, that the succession which begins in the water, that is known as Hydrarch succession, and stages shown in the Hydrarch succession, that is known as Hydrosphere. And succession begins in the dry condition in the rocks, that is known as Gerard succession, and stages shown in the Gerard succession, that is known as Xerosphere. तर मला दोन्हीमध्ये डिफरन्स काय आहे? हायड्रोस्फियर आणि झेरोस्फियर दोन्हीमध्ये हे सक्सेशन इथे दाखवलेलं आहे.
सर FM चं लेक्चर चालू झालं.
Okay. Everyone give attendance in chat box. Here we will stop. Next lecture will continue. सगळ्यांनी अटेंडन्स द्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. Everyone give attendance in chat box.